Okay, so in last lecture, we have studied about how to resolve the forces, along horizontal and vertical component, that is f of x and f of y. So what are the prerequisites are required here is the magnitude of the force, angle with respect to x axis. Once we know the theta and the magnitude of the force, we can resolve the force along x. F of x is equals to f into cos of theta. F of y is equals to f into sine of theta. Important is theta is with respect to horizontal axis, x axis. Okay. Now next part is the system of forces. There are different types of system of forces that are classified as. Number one is coplanar and second is non-coplanar. Non-coplanar force system also called as space system or forces in space. Again, the coplanar forces are divided into three force system: concurrent force system, second is parallel force system, and third one is generalized force system. So these are the three types of force system. From here, we will see the problems, we will solve the problems on concurrent force system, parallel force system, generalized force system. And this part is, there is a separate module for the forces in space. Okay, so for module number 1 is totally based on concurrent force system, parallel force system and generalized force system. Okay, now what is coplanar forces? Now here you can see there is a one plane, there is a x-axis, there is a y-axis. If all the forces lie in one plane, it is called as coplanar forces. In this arrangement, all the forces lies in one plane, that is x and y. Here you can see there is F1, F2, F3, F4. All these four forces are lies in one plane, all in one plane. That's why it is coplanar forces. Again, the coplanar forces are classified as discussed, is concurrent, parallel and generalized. So what is concurrent forces system or concurrent forces? In this arrangement, all the forces meet at one particular point. For example, here you can see there is a F1 force which is passing through, let's say, point P. It is passing through a point P. F2, there is a second force also passing through a point P. F3 also passing through point P. Similarly F4. All these four forces are passing through a single point P. That's why this force system is called as concurrent force system. Similarly, you can see the another example. Let's say this point is Q point. There is F1 passing through Q, F2 also passing through Q, and F3 is also passing through Q. So these three force systems are under a concurrent force system. Okay, next, after the concurrent force system, there is a parallel force system. Okay, now in parallel force, as the name itself indicates, these systems are a parallel force system. See the example: F1, F2, F3 and F4 are exactly parallel to each other. These four forces will never meet at a one particular point. So these are not a concurrent force system, these are exactly a parallel force system. In this arrangement, all the forces are exactly parallel to each other and never meet at a one particular point. So F1, F2, F3 and F4, these are called as parallel force system or parallel forces. Okay. Third one is generalized force system or general forces. In general forces system, these forces are non-concurrent, non-parallel. Means they are not exactly parallel to each other or never meet at one particular point. Their arrangement is generalized arrangement. That's why these forces are called as general forces. Now here you can see F1, F2, F3, F4. These four forces are not exactly parallel to each other and they will never meet at one particular point. So that's why these are not a parallel, non-parallel, non-concurrent force system, also called as generalized force system. Okay, next part is non-coplanar forces. That is the next part of force system, that is forces in space. Okay, when all the forces acting in a system do not lie in one plane, if the forces do not lie in one plane, they are called as non-coplanar or forces in space. These are also called as non-coplanar forces. Okay, so let us revise. The types of force systems are planar, coplanar forces, non-coplanar forces. Under the coplanar forces, we have three types: concurrent force system, where all the forces meet at one particular point; parallel force system, where all the forces are exactly parallel to each other; and third one is generalized force system, where the force system is not a parallel, not meet at one particular point. That's why these are called as generalized forces.